In this video, I am going to teach you how to manage users on Acuity Scheduling. So in this part, you first need to head over to make sure that you're signed in into your Acuity Scheduling account. Head over first to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com, and then from in there, you can either get started or click onto the login option in order to sign in. So if you do not have an account yet, you can click onto the get started option that we can see right here or right here. Or if you already have a Squarespace account or an Acuity account, click on this login option. Now, from there, you should be able to redirect it to your Squarespace. What you can do is you can click onto your actual account right here, or you can head over to the account.squarespace.com slash project dash beaker. I'll choose in here my site, and then from in there, they should be able to show me the settings for the actual contributors that we have into our site. Just wait for this to load because on this part you can change the permissions as well as ownership for this. Into this part, let's manage the users. As you can see, I'm the only one right here. If you want, you can add or invite a contributor. Click onto this invite, input right here their name, and then as well as their email address. For example, let's input right here. And then once you have inputted right here their details, you can choose in here their actual roles. It can be admin, billing, website editor, and the likes. Into this part, let's choose in here the scheduling administrator. After that, click onto this invite option. Now, once they have successfully accepted your invite, you can see them right here under the permissions. However, if you want to cancel or if you want to remove them into your actual site, you can click on their name and then click onto these three dots and click onto this cancel or delete option that should be able to appear right there. So that's how you manage users in Acuity Scheduling. Hope we helped.